Hi boys and girls, welcome to the second in this series of videos where the video is asking you to write all the year 3 and 4 common exception words. So we've looked at A up to I, so we're going to pick that up now, carry on with I all the way to W. So hopefully you will spell them right. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and don't forget you can pause the video whenever you need to because there are a lot of words. The first word is imagine. Imagine. There it is. Looks like imagine. 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 Next word, increase. Increase. I am going to increase the time I give you. Increase. It's that E-A-S-E. Okay, the word crease is in there. Our next word is important. You can sound this one out. Important. Important. We've got the word port inside there. Next word is interest. Interest. Use your sounds. Well done. Interest. The next word has a silent letter. Island. Island. Did you get the silent letter? Good job if you did. It's an S. I-S. Land. Tricky one, this one. Knowledge. Always causes lots of problems, this one. It's got the word no at the beginning. Knowledge. Knowledge. Our next word is learn. Learn. It's got the word ear inside it. Learn. And length. 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 And library. If you say it like that, it helps you spell it. Library. Our next word is material. 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 That's right. Material. Material. And the word medicine. Medicine. Don't forget to pause the video. There it is. Tricky one, medicine. Sounds like an S in the middle. The next word is mention. And it's that T-I-O-N on the end that causes the problem. Mention. Minute. Can I have another minute to write it down? Minute. Looks like minute. Our next word is natural. 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 And naughty. Naughty. Tricky one, this one. It's that A-U-G-H. And notice. Sounds like an S on the end. Notice. Occasion. Occasion. And if you can spell occasion, can you spell occasionally? This is an easy one next. Often. Often. Just don't put the double F in. Well done. Often. Ordinary. 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 Particular. I remember this one as particular. Particular. Tricky. Perhaps is the next one. You're doing really well. Perhaps. There it is. Perhaps. And popular. Popular. There's popular. Well done. And position. Position. Is that T-I-O-N at the end again? Now this next one is a hard one. Possession. Give yourself the time you need to think about it. Lots of S's. possession. A possession is something that belongs to somebody. And if you can spell possession, you'll be able to spell possess. If you possess something, there's lots of double S's. Next word is possible. Possible. And another one beginning with P, potatoes. Potatoes. Is that E on the end? It's toes. The word toes is on the end there, isn't it? Okay, our next word is pressure. Pressure. It sounds like it should be SH, but it's double S. Pressure. This is one we use a lot. Hopefully we can get to spell it right. Probably. Probably. And promise. Promise. On to Q now. The word is quarter. Can you find a quarter of the chocolate? Oh no, sorry, it's purpose. Now we've got to quarter. Quarter. There it is. And question. Question. That Q-U. Question. Recent. Recent. Regular. Regular. Rain. Now this isn't the rain that comes from the sky. This is the rain of a monarch. It's not a word we use a lot. Tricky one. It's got that silent letter in there. Our next word is one you really need to know. Remember. Remember. You can use your sounds to remember it. Remember. Sentence. 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 It's got the word ten in there. Separate. Separate. Always spelt wrong, that one. Next word is special. 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 Straight. Straight. Strange. Strange. Strength. Strength. Suppose. Suppose. Double P. Don't forget it. Surprise. This one always gets spelt wrong. Surprise. Well done if you got that right. Therefore. Therefore. So it's got the there at the beginning and then for. Though. 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 And then although. So if you can get though, you should be able to get although. But it's not a double L, just one L. Thought. Thought. Tricky ones, these ones. You're doing really well. And through. Through. Now this isn't a through the ball. This is I looked through the window. And nearly there. Various. Various. Wait. Wait. Woman. Woman. This looks like woman. And our last one, women. Women. Women that time. Well, if you did all of those, I am so happy. Well done. Thank you for watching and good luck with your spelling.